Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to explain how to configure Google Chrome to automatically download PDF files instead of opening them in a browser. It can be frustrating when Chrome automatically opens PDFs instead of downloading them, especially if you do not want to view them immediately. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, so follow along carefully. So let's begin. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome application. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left-hand side of the settings, click on Privacy and Security. Then scroll down and select Site Settings. Within the site settings, scroll down again and find the option of Additional Content Settings. Go ahead and select it. And from the drop-down menu that appears, you need to go ahead and select the PDF documents, which is between the zoom levels and protected content IDs. Now you'll get two different options to download PDFs and open PDFs in Chrome. Go ahead and select download PDFs and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.